My name is Fatty K. Samora, and I am originally from West Africa, Sierra Leone. At the age of 2, I was diagnosed with polio. Life after that diagnosis was never the same for me, but I just really am grateful for how far God has brought me and how much strength and grace that God has given me to overcome every challenges, even up to this day, that I go through. God has been faithful. Sierra Leone went through some severe 12 plus years genocide of civil war, and how I survived that war was a mere miracle, and it just shows how much God's hand constantly pursued me and protected me through it all. I am here today as a living witness to testify of God's grace and how I survived the war.